Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve an afro, like a juicy afro with your own hair, and I'm going to take you step by step. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe before we go right from the beginning. I'm trying to recreate a look that we did with my sister. Yeah, so stay tuned. So first off, I'm going to wash my hair, and today I'm going to use the Dark and Lovely Au Naturale Moisture Replenishing Shampoo. I think I've featured it in another video. If you haven't, I'm going to link it. And it's a sulfate-free shampoo, but most important for these clients, because I haven't washed my hair for over a month, it's a clarifying shampoo, and that's why I'm going for it, because I know my hair is dirty. It is so dirty, it's embarrassing. Yeah, and the last time I actually washed it is when I colored my hair, and that's on the 1st of May. And someone ever told me that if your hair, like if you're getting breakouts here, which I am, you should actually consider the health of your hair, because if it's really dirty, then it's going to affect this area. So I've been seeing some breakout, and I'm like, Margie, you're joking. So this is time to actually wash my hair. Let's just go in with this shampoo. Wow, my scalp is dirty. It's dirty, it's dirty, it's dirty, guys. The scalp is really not clean. I can feel relief as I wash.
For me, I'm coming home. Emna, pray for me, my baby. My bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Wait for me, I'm coming home.
I really think I should film for you guys behind the scenes of filming a wash day video. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Now you see me. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Not Out conditioner for Dark and Lovely. Trust me guys, this is my favorite conditioner of all times. Yeah, we'll talk about product favorites, but out of all their products, this has to be my favorite, just because it does the work that it should do. Like, you're going to see how it's going to detangle and soften my hair, like right now. Just watch that. Look, just see. And I don't have a white tooth comb, but using this, just I'm going to detangle my hair, because really it helps in detangling. And for this look, you really want your hair detangled, because you want a seamless, like not free afro. So you really need your hair to be detangled. Please ensure you detangle your hair. If not, when doing the conditioner, when applying your deep conditioner, for this particular look especially, because you really want to avoid single strand knots. Yeah, so I'm just going to rinse this out, and then we're going to deep condition our hair. Guys, if you have color, please don't joke with it. Please treat your hair. Treat your hair. Don't stay more than 3 weeks. You're going to shed a lot of hair. So now I'm going to just use the Saru hair growth mask to treat my hair for roughly 20 minutes, and it's really important. I don't like how my hair has really fallen off, so I'm just going to apply a generous amount. And make sure before you apply your treatment, whatever treatment you're using, that that you've used throughout the washing, you've used warm water. So this allows your follicles to be open, and for all the good things from your treatment to penetrate your hair. So I'm just going to massage that in and do it on both sides. So this is after the deep conditioner has stayed on my hair for like 45 minutes, I was in my portable hair steamer. I just say that this is the third time I am actually showering. It's not even one weird. It's weird. I am weird. So what you're going to do now is to rinse this off with cold water. Yes, because this is my final rinse. Cold water is the way to go. Okay guys, so now I am going to, this is my hair after washing. I must say it feels really soft. Anyway, so now the next step, what you're meant to do so that you can achieve that full afro is just to stretch out your hair a little bit. And this doesn't mean with heat. You're going to stretch it with a moisturizing thing. Can be in an oil, but you just because my hair is already still damp, you can use oil, you can use butters, but the point is that you stretch it out. You can stretch out using 3-strand twists or 2-strand twists, and before you stretch it out, make sure that it is well detangled. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do it. So you detangle as you work through sections, work in sections as usual. Then I'm just going to use this Afro moisturizing butter. For some reason I rarely use it, so because I just want to keep my hair moisturized. For this look I'm not going for curls, I'm going to use this butter. It smells nice, with guarana root and honey. Yeah, so just apply a generous amount in your section. And then for me, I'm going to do 3-strand twists. And then you don't even have to do them tight. You just need to stretch out the hair. Your light has set me free. Your light has set me free. At the end, I'm just going to tie a knot. Yeah, just to protect your ends. Oh, my hair's grown. Wow, I surprise myself every time. Okay, it's taken me 15 minutes to do 15 minutes, sorry, not 50. I'll see you tomorrow. That's if I shoot tomorrow, if not the next day. But okay, when I do, we will undo them together and then we will comb it out into an afro. Hey guys, it's the next day. My hair is pretty dry, and I believe right now it's ready for unraveling. So I'm going to do a shoot, and I want to take you guys with me. I hope I'll get the courage to vlog from the studio. I don't even know the name of the studio. It's in town, but you're going to see it, and I'm hoping that I unravel my hair in the studio so that now you can see how we achieve the afro. But this shoot is just for me to get back into this space of shooting, because sometimes you really just don't feel you don't feel like, I don't know what to say. Sometimes, like, I think as chicks, my god, anyway, I think as chicks sometimes you don't actually feel pretty or something, or you just feel like life is not together. So I want a shoot that's going to like bring me back to life and to have psych. Yeah, that's really the aim of this shoot, other than, yeah, it's actually to empower myself. I don't know, if you love photos, I know you know the effect that they can have on your creativity. Like, if you take a break from creating content, going back is usually really hard. So I'm really hoping that I get that itch to go back to creating good content and to feeling like things are together. I don't know if anyone understands these feelings, by the way. Anyway, I'm already late, so let me leave the house and then we will see you next in the studio. I'm going to tag everything, and I really hope you enjoy the rest of this.
Nakuahidi baby, mapenzi yangu yote ni yako mpenzi.
We're going to unravel this, and the thing is you have to be patient and be gentle. So I'm going to use this one in some
Mpenzi, unanijaza na furaha, unanipendeza, unanijaza na furaha, nasema ni wewe, ni wewe.
You're just combing and then shaping at this final stage. That's what we just do. So for that extra shine, just add your product. Juju. Because I don't want my hair to be very dry, but this is not necessary. So I've just added the butter. Nimetoa the parting because it does not look as good as I want. Yeah, right now I'm sure it looks better without that side part. Ooh, now I feel good. Hi, so if you've watched to the end of this video, I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, and by the way, my blog has been nominated as Best Hair Blog 2019, and I think this is the last day for voting, 31st May. So if you're watching this and you haven't, and it's 31st May, please vote. There's a link in the description box. Just go to category number 20E and vote. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you loved this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, I'll find an intro. This is Tweri and this is my sister. Yeah. So we're going to recreate an afro that she did.
Oh yeah, me.
And this is the afro that I have on my head. And they're here to support me.
It's real, you guys.
Welcome to my channel. And if you haven't, what do they
subscribe, share, like,
hit the description box below.
Oh yeah.
To do what? Or to check out the products used?
Oh yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys.